everyone. Welcome to the English Flow podcast channel. Today, we will talk about what we like to do. This is an English conversation for beginners. Let's learn English together. A. What do you like to do in your free time?
B. I like to listen to music.
A. Oh, nice. What kind of music do you like?
B. I like pop music. It makes me happy.
A. That's great. I like pop music too. A. Do you like to watch movies?
B. Yes, I do. I like action movies.
A. Cool. I like comedy movies. They are funny.
B. Me too. I like to laugh.
A. What do you do on weekends?
B. I go to the park and take a walk.
A. That sounds relaxing. I like to ride my bike.
B. That's fun. Exercise is good for health.
A. Do you like cooking?
B. Yes, I do. I like to cook noodles.
A. Wow, I like noodles too.
B. What do you like to cook?
A. I like to cook rice and vegetables. A. Do you like to read books?
B. Sometimes I read short stories.
Nice. I like to read English books to learn new words.
That's a good idea.
A. What about hobbies?
I like to draw pictures.
Really? That's cool. I like to take photos.
You have many hobbies.
Yes, I like to try new things. A. What food do you like?
B. I like rice and chicken.
A. Me too. I eat rice every day.
B. Do you like spicy food?
A. Yes, I do. I like spicy noodles.
B. I can't eat spicy food. It's too hot for me.
Haha, I understand. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like mango, banana, and apple.
I like mango juice. It tastes good.
Me too. Mango is sweet and fresh.
A. Do you like to watch movies?
B. Yes, I do. I watch movies on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
B. I like comedy and action movies.
A. I like romantic movies. They are sweet.
B. Sometimes I watch cartoons too.
Cartoons are fun.
B. Do you watch TV shows?
A. Yes, I like travel shows.
That's nice. I learn new things from them.
What clothes do you like to wear?
B. I like to wear t-shirts and jeans.
Me too. They are comfortable.
B. What color do you like?
A. I like blue and white.
B. I like black clothes. They look simple.
A. Do you like shoes or sandals?
B. I like sandals. They are easy to wear.
I like sneakers. I wear them every day. A. Do you like to play games?
B. Yes, I do. I like to play football.
Wow, that's fun. I like to play badminton.
B. Who do you play with?
A. I play with my friends after school.
B. That's great. I play with my brother.
A. Do you play online games?
B. Sometimes. I like simple games.
Me too. Games help me relax. A. What do you like to do with your friends?
B. I like to go to the cafe.
What do you drink there?
B. I drink iced coffee.
I like milk tea.
B. Sometimes we take pictures together.
That's fun. I like to talk and laugh with friends.
Friends make me happy.
What do you like to do at home?
B. I like to watch YouTube.
Me too. I watch English videos.
I also clean my room.
That's good. A clean room is nice.
I sometimes cook with my mom.
That sounds lovely. I cook dinner at night.
What do you cook?
I cook soup and vegetables. A. Do you like to go outside?
B. Yes, I do. I like to go for a walk.
I like to go to the park.
Parks are peaceful.
I also like to go shopping.
Really? I like window shopping too.
Do you go out alone or with friends?
With friends. We talk and take photos.
That's fun. I like to talk and laugh with friends.
Friends make me happy.
What do you like to do at home?
B. I like to watch YouTube.
Me too. I watch English videos.
I also clean my room.
That's good. A clean room is nice.
I sometimes cook with my mom.
That sounds lovely. I cook dinner at night.
What do you cook?
I cook soup and vegetables. A. Do you like to go outside?
B. Yes, I do. I like to go for a walk.
I like to go to the park.
Parks are peaceful.
I also like to go shopping.
Really? I like window shopping too.
Do you go out alone or with friends?
With friends. We talk and take photos.
What do you do when it rains?
B. I stay at home and watch movies.
I drink hot tea when it rains.
That sounds good. I like the rain sound.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Sometimes I read a book.
I listen to music.
Rainy days are calm and cozy.
What do you do on holidays?
B. I travel to the beach.
Wow, that's nice. I like the mountains.
I like to take pictures on holidays.
I like to rest and sleep late.
Holidays are fun. No work, no school.
Yes, I like to enjoy my free time. What do you like to do in the morning?
I like to drink coffee.
Me too. I drink coffee every morning.
I also take a shower and eat breakfast.
That's a good habit. I like to go for a short walk.
Wow, that's healthy.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, it helps me feel happy.
Same here. Music gives me energy. What do you like to do at night?
I like to watch movies.
I like to read a book before bed.
That's nice. Reading helps me sleep too.
Do you go to bed early?
Sometimes. I usually sleep at 10 p.m.
I sleep late because I watch YouTube.
You like YouTube a lot.
What do you like to learn?
I like to learn English.
Great. I like to learn new languages too.
Learning English helps me talk with people.
That's true. I like to learn about cultures.
I also like to learn computer skills.
That's useful. I want to learn how to edit videos.
Wow, that's cool.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook eggs.
I like to bake. I love dessert.
Do you bake a lot?
Yes, I bake all the time.
That's nice. Reading helps me sleep too.
Do you go to bed early?
Sometimes. I usually sleep at 10 p.m.
I sleep late because I watch YouTube.
You like YouTube a lot.
What do you like to learn?
I like to learn English.
Great. I like to learn new languages too.
Learning English helps me talk with people.
That's true. I like to learn about cultures.
I also like to learn computer skills.
That's useful. I want to learn how to edit videos.
Wow, that's cool.
What do you like to listen to?
I like to listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like slow songs. They are relaxing.
I like fast music. It makes me dance.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to the English Flow podcast.
That's great. I listen too.
What do you like to see when you travel?
I like to see the sea and the beach.
Oh, me too. The ocean is beautiful.
I also like mountains and waterfalls.
Nature makes me feel calm.
Do you like cities?
Yes, I like tall buildings and bright lights.
I like small towns. They are quiet.
What do you like to do online?
I like to watch videos on YouTube.
Me too. I watch English lessons.
I also talk with my friends on social media.
That's fun. I like to read news online.
Do you play online games?
Sometimes when I have free time.
The internet is full of fun things.
What do you like to do on your birthday?
I like to eat cake with my friends.
That's nice. I like to celebrate with my family.
Do you get gifts?
Yes, I love small surprises.
I like to take photos on my birthday.
Me too. It's a happy day. What do you like to buy?
I like to buy clothes and shoes.
I like to buy books and snacks.
Do you buy things online?
Yes, I buy online. It's easy and fast.
I like to go to the market.
I like that too. Markets are fun and busy. What do you like to do with your family?
I like to eat dinner together.
That's sweet. I like to watch movies with my family.
We sometimes play games together.
That's fun. I like family trips.
Me too. Family time is the best time.
What do you like about your life?
I like my family and friends.
That's beautiful. I like my job and my home.
I like to learn and grow every day.
Me too. Life is full of new things.
I am happy and thankful for my life.
That's a good feeling. Stay positive always.
Good job, everyone.
Now you can talk about what you like to do in English. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. See you in the next episode.